Dental implants are a popular and effective solution for missing teeth, providing a long-lasting and natural-looking replacement that can improve both the aesthetics and function of a smile. However, the cost of dental implants can vary significantly depending on where you are in the world. In this article, we will compare the price tag on dental implants in Europe versus Turkey. Europe is known for its high-quality dental care, but it also comes with a price tag to match. In countries like the UK, Germany, and France, the cost of a single dental implant can range from A1,000 to A3,000. This price typically includes the implant itself, the abutment, and the crown. While some European countries may offer lower prices for dental implants, the overall cost can still be quite steep for many patients. On the other hand, Turkey has emerged as a popular destination for dental tourism in recent years, thanks to its affordable prices and high-quality care. In Turkey, the cost of a single dental implant can be as low as A500 to A1000, making it a much more cost-effective option for patients looking to save money without compromising on quality. So why are dental implants so much cheaper in Turkey compared to Europe? One reason is the lower cost of living and wages in Turkey, which allows dental clinics to offer competitive prices without sacrificing the quality of care. Additionally, the Turkish government has made significant investments in healthcare infrastructure, resulting in state-of-the-art facilities and highly trained dental professionals. But are the lower prices in Turkey indicative of lower quality care? Not necessarily. Many dental clinics in Turkey adhere to strict international standards and use the latest technology and techniques to ensure the success and longevity of dental implants. In fact, some patients even report higher levels of satisfaction with their treatment in Turkey compared to European countries. Of course, cost should not be the only factor to consider when choosing where to get dental implants. It is important to research the credentials and reputation of the dental clinic, as well as the experience of the dental professionals who will be performing the procedure. Additionally, factors such as travel expenses, language barriers, and aftercare services should also be taken into account. In conclusion, the price tag on dental implants in Europe versus Turkey can vary significantly, with Turkey offering a more affordable option without compromising on quality. Whether you choose to get your dental implants in Europe or Turkey, it is important to do thorough research and consider all factors before making a decision. Ultimately, the most important thing is to choose a reputable clinic with experienced professionals who can provide you with the best possible care for your dental health.